So friends, this is the cabin AC air filter that we are going to install on our Honda City. The old one was very dirty and the AC cooling was very much affected due to it. That's the reason I was changing the filter. And the filter looked like this. I already changed the air filter before, so it was at night and I couldn't shoot properly. So I was unable to show the condition of the old filter, but believe me, it was not good. So let's see how it's done. Open the glove box compartment and just apply a little pressure from both sides, and the glove box opens to reveal the AC filter compartment that's located right here. Now for opening this compartment, you have got two pins that are on both sides of the compartment, and it's located here, and the other one on the right. So what you have to do to remove the filter is just apply a little pressure from the back and pull outwards. It will just pop out by itself. I'll show once more how it's done. When the filter is like this, you have to apply pressure on back side of the pin and it will pop out automatically like this. And once this has happened, you can easily pull out the filter compartment. Once after seeing the condition of the filter that's inside the compartment, you can decide whether you have to buy a new one or just use the old one after removing some dirt. In both the condition, keep one thing in mind. After removing the filter, there are two hard sides and two soft sides of the filter. The soft side of the filter should always point towards you, and the harder side on both sides like this, and you have to install it like this only. And the other thing you have to keep in mind is that the airflow direction and the filter's placement. The airflow direction should always point down. You may see on the box the airflow direction is written here, and it should always point down while installing. And also the filter's dirtier side should always come up. It will face up, and the installing is very simple. You have to just put back the filter and just press it once, and the lock clips and you may hear a sound, and this has been done perfectly. Now just keep one thing in mind: if you are cleaning the old filter and reinstalling it, then you have to note that the airflow direction is from the top to bottom, and filter's dirtier side should come on the top and the cleaner side should come on the bottom side. Because if you flip and use it, what happens is the dirts that already been accumulated on the filter will be sucked in through the AC vents and will be directly thrown at you. Just keep that in mind. Okay, bye.